all the peoples, those who are suffering by the disease, they have to know what is the main reason of the disease. Ayurveda says another part, it takes only the reason of the dosas, reason of the disease. But allopathy science depends on only the bacteria, only the chemical reaction. And after chemical reaction, which bacteria develops, they make the medicine to die them. Which medicine we are making for the bacteria, they can affect in other parts of the body. So Ayurveda says that we should know about the Panchabhautik composition of the dosas, which are the main reason of the disease. There are three types of dosas: Vata, Pitta and Kapha. But Vata, Pitta, Kapha also the combination of the Panch Mahabhut. First we are taking the Vata. If Vata is uncontrolled, then it creates the disease in the body. They may be of Pitta, they may be Kaphas and Vata also. Uncontrolled Vata creates the disease in the body. It is the main main symptoms of the disease. So first we want to know that what is Vata dosa according Panch Mahabhut. What is the combination of the Panch Mahabhut in this Vata doshas? Vayu and Akash. Vayu and Akash both create the Vata dosha in our body. And another dosha is Pitta dosha that create only Agni. If Agni part is uncontrolled in the body, that we can say that we are suffering the Pitta doshas. And it creates the 40 type of disease in our body. But Vata dosas, if uncontrolled the air, Vata dosha is uncontrolled in our body, they can create 80 type of disease in our body. And another dosha is the Kapha dosa. Kapha dosa is also the Panch Bhautik composition in our body. It is the composition of Prithvi and Jal. Prithvi Bhut and the Jal means liquid and Prithvi means solid. These two Panchabhautik create the Kapha dosa in our body, and if the Kapha dosas are affected by the uncontrolled Vayu, air, that create the 10 type of disease in our body. 20 type of dosa, of Kapha dosas, not of 10 type. 20 type of disease create uncontrolled air with Kapha. So we say that this is Kapha. I am giving the example to you that some child are suffering by pneumonia. When allopathy science gives the medicine to them, they are giving the antibiotics to see the ESR, progress of ESR, to see the pneumococcus, to see the gonococcus. They said that these bacteria are available in your kapha, in your saliva, so you are suffering by the pneumonia. It may be the bronchitis, asthma also, bronchitis, allergy also. But Ayurveda says the another part. I will say that when the cold affected your body, your environment is very cold, do that in your body affected pitta, and more pitta is affected with air, then cough comes from our intestine or lungs, by our nose, by our mouth. And so many people at this time takes the boiled waters, I mean very hot medicines, but it is not right. I will say that because uncontrolled vayu with a pitta which is in your body, we should control the pitta, we should control the vayu. Then we can say that we can remove, we can save you with your disease. So when the disease, the patients come to my clinic, my hospital of the pneumonia and asthma, first of all I am giving the laxative. The cough can out by the mouth also, by vomiting also, and it can go through the intestinal system by the rectum. It is the good therapy. When in your body digestive system is making the kapha, we should remove out the kapha, we should destroy the kapha, we should give the digestive things, digestive fruit and salads also. We should take the salt. When digestion system is powerful, then there will be no cough in our body. And the cough already in our body, we can remove out by the laxative, by the vomiting. It is the safe therapy. That is called the Ayurveda. That is called the treatment of asthma, bronchitis, asthma, and the treatment of the pneumonia. But when you are taking the antibiotics, if you are suffering by the cold, after sometimes you will suffering by the whooping cough. I means we can say the khasi in Hindi. In English, we can say we are suffering by the cough, we are suffering by the cold. And after sometimes, when we are taking the antibiotics for that, they say that you are suffering by the bronchitis, asthma, you are suffering by the asthma, you have to take the pumps to dilate your bronchi, to dilate your veins and arteries, which takes the oxygen in your lungs. By that medicines, they are made by the steroids. Then sometime after, you feel that you are unable to walk, you feel very tiredness, you feel that there is no blood in your body, you can't sleep, you can't walk, and you cannot do any type of work, because your medicine is acting only the kapha. They are not working on the region. So Ayurveda in our hospital, in my system, according to Ayurveda, I use the laxative and the medicine for vomiting and for digestion power. Then I can say that I can cure the pneumonia, I can cure the asthma, so I can treat. So many people are getting well. Now they are healthy. No use for pumps, no other type of medicine. They are taking only the ghee, but timely they are taking the food. Early in the morning, before 9 a.m. and after 5 p.m. early in the evening till 12 midnight. So when you are taking timely food, you are walking and working, then asthma cannot affect in your body and you can always healthy. Okay, thank you. I salute all of you.
वैद्य जी को नाड़ी दिखाने के लिए संपर्क कीजिए दिल्ली बुध और शनि, रोहतक रवि सोम मंगलवार, गुरुग्राम में बृहस्पति और शुक्रवार को, रोजाना सुबह 7 बजे से शाम 5 बजे तक। अधिक जानकारी के लिए संपर्क कीजिए नाड़ी वैद्य कायाकल्प.com हमारी वेबसाइट पर। और रोगों का घरेलू इलाज जानने के लिए देखिए हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल नाड़ी वैद्य कायाकल्प। वैद्य जी से नाड़ी दिखाने के लिए संपर्क कीजिए 8595 299 299 या 7428 299 299।